Punjab police detained fasting farmer leader Jagjeet Singh Dallewal and other activists, clearing protest sites at Shampur and Khanori borders on Wednesday amid ongoing demands for a legal guarantee on minimum support price. Punjab police detained 500 to 700 farmers, including leaders Jagjeet Singh Dallewal and Shravan Singh Pandher, while Haryana used bulldozer to remove barricades following inclusive MSP talks with the centre, drawing criticism from opposition parties. RSS leader Sunil Ambekar dismissed Aurangzeb's relevance while condemning violence after VHP protests in Nagpur leads to riot over tomb removal demands, injuring 5 civilians and 33 police personnel. The Archaeological Survey of India covered Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb's tomb in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar as tension escalated in Maharashtra, leading to Nagpur violence that injured 12 policemen and a curfew in multiple areas. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath condemned glorifying historical invaders, calling it treasons amid demands to remove Aurangzeb's tomb, asserting that New India will not tolerate such acts. Indian scholar Badr Khan Suri, a Georgetown University postdoctoral fellow, was arrested by US immigration officer for allegedly spreading Hamas propaganda and faces deportation after his visa was revoked. US President Zelensky accepted a US proposed ceasefire after a call with President Trump discussing war, peace efforts and US leadership's role in ending the conflict this year. Ukraine's President Zelensky said he felt no pressure from Trump to concede to Russia following discussion on the invasion, while Trump claimed peace efforts were on track after talks with Putin. 2611 accused the Hoover Rana has filed a request with US Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts to stop the extradition to India, citing health concerns. This comes days after the US Supreme Court Judge Alina Kagan rejected his review petition. Sushant Singh Rajput and Disha Salian's mystery 2020 death sparked renewed demands for justice as Disha's father Satish Salian alleged that Shiv Sena leader Aditya Thackeray is involved in the daughter's death and should be interrogated in custody. Merchant Navy officer Saurav Rajput was murdered by his wife Muskan Rastogi and her lover Sahil Shukla, with their 6-year daughter telling neighbors Papa is in the drum, acknowledging exposing the crime. Muskan Rastogi's parents demanding the death penalty for their daughter and co-accused Sahil Shukla after they allegedly murdered her husband, dismembered his body and sealed it in a cement-filled drum. US President Donald Trump vowed to completely annihilate Yemen's Houthi rebels as intensify airstrikes hit Asana and Sada, following Houthi attacks on merchant vessels and alleged Iranian supports. The US reiterated concerns over minority protection in Bangladesh after DNI Tulsi Gabbard's remark on an Islamist caliphate, prompting strong rebuttals from Bangladesh's interim government, calling them misleading and damaging. The IDF launched a targeted ground offensive in central and southern Gaza, retaking key territory after airstrike killed 400 people, ending a 2-month ceasefire with Hamas amid escalating tensions. The Allahabad High Court ruled that grabbing a victim's from front and breaking her pajamas string constitute aggravated sexual assault, not sexual attempt, modifying charges against 2 accused in the 2021 Kasganj case. 22 Mois were killed in encounters in Bejapur and Kanker, Chhattisgarh, while 1 police jawan also met trade. Security forces recovered weapons and continue operations in the both areas. Home Minister Amit Shah hailed security forces' success in Bejapur and Kanker, reaffirming the Modi's government's ruthless approach towards Naxals, aiming for a Naxal-free India by March 2026. A 53-year-old Hamar man was killed after fresh violence erupted in Kukizo-dominated Churachandpur, triggered by a flag dispute, prompting security interventions and a call for peace. At least 3 companies linked to gold smuggling suspect Rane Rao are being investigated by DRI and ED, including Rane Rao Photography Private Limited, Iris Green Private Limited, and Kasiroda India Private Limited. The NASA astronaut Sunita Williams returned to Earth after spending 9 months aboard the ISS. Embracing her Indian roots, she kept a Ganesh idol with her and captured a stunning image of the Mahakumbh Mela from space, which went viral on social media. Andhra Pradesh signed an MOU with the Bill Gates Foundation to implement AI-driven solutions in healthcare, agriculture and education, boosting digital governance and economic growth under CM Chandrababu Naidu's leadership. Actor-author Lisa Ray slammed Air India for refusing a medical waiver for her 92-year-old ailing father despite submitting required documents, questioning the airline's lack of empathy. Hyderabad police booked 25 Tollywood celebrities including Rana Daggupati Vijay Deverakonda for alleged promoting illegal betting apps following a complaint about financial losses caused by the endorsement. BCCI announced a 58 crore reward for the India's ICC Champions Trophy victory in Dubai, recognizing players, coaching staff and selectors after Rohit Sharma led India defeated New Zealand in the finals. YouTuber Samir Raina was summoned a 3rd time as Maharashtra Cyber Cell issued a fresh notice on March 24 over provocating language used in his show India's Got Latent. And 36-year-old Mumbai woman lost 20 crores, 26 lakhs over 2 months in a fraudulent posting as CBI officer. Police arrested 3 suspects and froze 77 lakh linked to the scam. The Modi-led Cabinet Committee on Security approved a 7,000 crore deal for a 307 indigenous ATAGS Howitzers, enhancing the Army's firepower with 48-kilometer range artillery, supporting the Making of India initiative. Istanbul Mayor Ekrem İmamoğlu, arrested on corruption and terrorism charges, sparked mass protest, with over 100 detained, raising concerns over Turkey's democracy ahead of the 2028 presidential elections. A Jaipur woman and her lover strangled her husband after he discovered their affair, burned his body to hide evidence, and planned to flee before police arrested them.